In front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can edit a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Following that, click on Edit button and change wherever you wish to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!